name's Nancy and I'd like to welcome you to Sapgate Gardens. This is a space in the middle of Thornton that we're taking over to make into a communal space for everyone to enjoy. We're growing here vegetables and plants and flowers, and in the summer when they're all ripe you'll be able to come and help yourselves to vegetables. We're going to take you across to Kevin now who'll show you how to plant things.
I'm Kevin, I'm one of the volunteers. I've only fairly recently volunteered for the garden, but this is what we're on with now at the minute, just planting on some of the veg that we start off in pots. Rather than just put the thing straight into the fresh soil, just give it a little bit of extra nutrition, just either some horse muck or prepared compost of sorts. Just dig that in a little bit into the soil. That size there is perfectly adequate. Just to go in ready, and it's as simple as that. And then the most important thing, get them watered in, well watered, just to start them off. And then they're ready. Nature will do the rest itself.
What I like about it is how it seems to have grown naturally. If people come here and they want to just make a little, like that little thing down there, it's just like somehow a little bed occurs and somebody puts some plants in it and then some vegetables occur. It's got a natural feel to it, it's not orderly. Well, it is orderly, but it's orderly in a very disorderly way. It just seems to manifest, doesn't it? It just seems to happen.
Yeah, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah?
It's great when it's like this.
From when we first moved here, it was like rubbish everywhere, and at school we've been learning about recycling stuff. So it's really good how they made it all change and how they got nature, and now and they got all birds. It's really pretty.
Right, hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.